Hi, in this video we are going to see how to update the connection name in the adapter service. So mainly we are going to see in the JDBC adapter. In order to do that, I'll just show you the list of connection name which I have. So I have two connection name, which is this connection name called HR, the other one is called HR new. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create one adapter service where I'm going to refer this connection name. Then later I'll tell you or I'll show you how to update the adapter service with the new connection name without deleting and recreating it. How to update the connection name in the adapter service, that is what we are going to see today. So in order to do that, using this connection, I'll just quickly create one adapter service. So I'll go to the designer, I'll just create one folder to keep our adapter services. I'll just say adapter services, and then here I'm just going to create a new adapter service. There I'm going to give like I'm going to get some employee details from my employee table. So I'll just name it like get employee details, and in this integration server which I connected to, which is having only one adapter, which is JDBC, I'll select that, and then it's showing list of connection name available. So it's showing both the connections. So I'm going to choose the first one, which is HR, and then I'll just click next. I'm going to use a select SQL for this particular demo, and I'll click finish. As I have only one table in that particular database, maybe the table name automatically got selected, which is employee. If you have multiple tables, then you have to go and browse and select your specific table by clicking this three dot. So now I'll just go inside this select, where I have to select which field I wanted to select it. So I'll just click the first one and I'll click this one, so that it will fill all the fields in the particular table. So now if you go and look at it, adapter setting, it will show the adapter connection name as testpackage.mydb:HR. So the connection name is HR here. So now I'll save this one and I'll try to run it, just to show this particular adapter service which we have just created, it's working as expected. Run service, and it doesn't require any input, so I'll just give run. Now if you look at this one, it's showing the results from the particular table. So basically I wanted to extract these three fields which is coming in the result, and also there are more than one record, so that's why you have many results available in that particular result set. So there are many records, so every record is coming here. So now what I will do, so I'll just go to the adapter setting. You just see it's referring HR connection. So now for some scenario, in case you wanted to change this connection name to the different one, so how do we update it? So that is what we are going to see. So in order to do that, I already created some equivalent connection, which is HR new, which is again it's pointing to the same database only. But for this exercise, I'm just going to update my adapter service with this new connection name. Okay, I'll just copy the connection name. So how do we update it? So basically instead of here HR, it should show HR new. So you go to WMART package, which is adapter runtime package, where you go to public pub ART and then service. There is a service called set adapter service node connection. You just run this one, which will ask two input. One is a service name, which is nothing but your adapter service name. Connection alias, nothing but your new connection alias name. So I'll run this service, run service, and this is the detail I already filled it, so I'll just fill it again. So connection alias, I just copied it from the JDBC adapter page, I just pasted it. The other one I need it, which is my this service name. What is the adapter service name I wanted to update, right? You just copy that as well and go to your service, which is nothing but this set adapter service, where you copy the service name, okay, which is under test package adapter services get employee details. I'm going to run that so that it will update the connection name to this HR new. I'll just click OK. See here, there is no error, which means it's got updated. So I'll close this one, get employee detail. I'll open again so that we'll be able to see the new connection name. See here, it's not loading here because we already connected to that integration server. If it's not showing, then you just click this icon, reload values from the adapter, and then you just close this one because I don't want to change anything. So you just open again, you will be able to see. See here, HR new. Or what you do, you just go and refresh it from here, so that everything will get refreshed again from the integration server. See here, now our adapter service is updated with the new adapter connection name, which is HR new. Earlier, before we run this service set adapter service node connection, it was showing as HR. Now we have updated this particular adapter service with the new connection name. So this way, if you wanted to update any of the existing adapter service with a new connection name, you can do it. So otherwise you will end up deleting this one and creating new adapter service with a new connection name. So this way you can avoid those kind of rework. So this is not only for the JDBC adapter, so we can run this service for other adapters as well. For example, if you have something for MQ adapter or SAP adapter or any kind of adapter, we can use that, because whatever the service which are having under this WMART package, it's a adapter runtime package which is common for all our adapters. Thank you.